Greetings, everyone. I'm at the Sattes Cemetery here in Charleston, West Virginia. I'm here with Brandon Carden.
Hello, everyone.
Huh?
I said hello, everyone.
He's volunteer here at the cemetery. They've been trying to, clean it up, make it presentable. They're doing an outstanding job. First, before anything, I got to ask, how'd you break your hand?
I was moving some logs up near the entrance.
Lucas?
Yeah, I smashed my hand. Had surgery right here.
Oh my God! I know that had to hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, he gets the volunteer Purple Heart, And you kept working.
Yeah.
You kept working, didn't
I
know?
just put some shrink wrap on the cast and kept going. This cemetery needs a lot of work, so.
Well, my hat's off to you. I get a hangnail and I'm like dying. So.
Right. Yeah, it needs a lot of work, so I didn't want to quit.
I tell you what, Brandon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You have a channel, so check his channel out.
Yeah.
He's just getting started, but you got potential. You really do. And what was it? The first comment you left? It was your uncle. I'd filmed his headstone.
Yeah,
at
the Spring Hill.
Yeah. Medical battalion, World War II.
Yep, Lawrence.
Yeah. Okay, walk me around here and show me some of the stones.
All right.
And some of the work. I know you posted a video of the news. The news just did not do it credit. This cemetery is huge. It's 768.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least 768. This is people that found the cemetery. This is Frederick Satts and his family. There's about 9 people buried around this single monument.
Wow. That is heavy.
We're going to try to get it up here soon. It's been down for at least 20 years.
Wow.
And
Okay.
we've got some of the oldest markers that are still up right here, 1800s. This is Reuben Stanley's marker.
Yeah, 1870. Yeah. So the first was 1852, right?
Yep, 1852. It's right over here.
That was I believe they were sisters, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, 1852. Find a grave. I swear, Find a grave said it 1832.
It probably did. Well,
Yeah, but the numbers is kind of hard to. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely 5.
Okay. I know there was some down in this way.
Yeah, we'll walk down through here. Anderson.
Let's see. Can't really make that name out.
What's it, Marie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Marie Anderson. It's kind of hard to see, but when you look at it at an angle, you can see the M on it.
Yeah, it's kind of, yeah.
Our darling.
Those stones, they just kind of wear away after these elements all these years.
Yeah, detail clean right up there.
So the last burial was, what, 1970?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some other ones up here. Kaisers. Here.
Thomas Kaiser. Private, first class medical department. Yeah. Thank you for your service, sir. So what's Kaiser? That's private U.S. Army World War. Yeah, 1. Yeah. Thank you for your service. What do we have down here? I know there's still a lot of work to be done, but I mean, you really all got a good grip on it.
Yeah. The grass is growing back pretty quickly. It was completely cut about a month ago, but the rain and everything's starting to grow back really quick.
You use a mower on this or just weed eater?
Just a weed eater.
Yeah, kind of hard for a mower, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we don't want to risk damaging any of the markers.
Burkett. 6 years old. Yeah, that's sad. That's so sad. Like I'll go on the state archives and check for death certificates and stuff to see what they, passed away from. And
Yeah.
a lot of that writing back then, it looks great. The cursive is just.
There's one girl buried here, and it's really sad. She was at school and her dress caught on fire, and they killed her.
Wow.
Yeah, she was in a science class, and her dress caught on fire and killed her. I think she was 6 years old.
Oh yeah, here we are.
Back to these two.
Veterans. U.S. Navy World War II, 1965. Yeah, thank free servicer. Born on Christmas, 1920.
That's awesome.
U.S. Navy World War II. I would say brothers. Yeah, brothers. Well, you told me brothers, didn't you?
I believe so.
Yeah.
I believe they probably fought in the same unit and everything in the Navy.
Yeah. Okay, what else we got down in here? Because there's a lot of interesting stones down here. And, yeah, here we are. But the good ones are hidden, huh?
Yeah.
Well, for now. Yeah, you'll get her cleared. When I get back up here, I do like weed eaters. So,
Okay.
So if I get back up here.
These are the Debbards.
1921, and that's yeah. As you can tell, it's a child, little lamb.
Yeah.
It's worn away, completely worn away. Well, it's like these stones back then would cost you about $30,
Right.
which would be a huge amount back then.
Yeah.
You know?
Definitely. Yeah, we just picked these back up. I picked them up a month ago, and then we had to pick them back up. So I don't know if they were kicked over if the wind blew them, but they are very loose.
Yeah. Well, that's the loose. A little gust of wind would knock it over.
Yeah.
I don't know what could a fella get for that? Some kind of caulking or?
Yeah, you get mortar, and you can use mortar to bond the fence back together and clean them back together.
James Roberts, doctor. And you said that she shot herself, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's what Finegrave says. That's his mother, and when his father died, she shot herself. Is what it.
Oh, that's just sad.
And that's his grandmother right here. It was laying down, and we picked it up.
1917. You know, it's like people lived back then. If they could come out of the grave and be full blown alive again, they'd be amazed about the technology and stuff that we got.
Definitely.
I gotta ask, because I know a lot of people's into the paranormal and everything. Have you seen anything here?
No, I wish I have.
No orbs, no nothing.
No, I've been out here late at night too. And, I haven't seen or heard anything. It's quiet as can be. Perfect with chainsaws now.
Yeah.
But it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, the only thing that's happened to me so far, you probably seen my video. Sounded like a woman was behind me saying "hun,"
Okay.
and I'm kind of like I turned around, and I won't lie, I half expected it to be my wife because it sounded like my wife.
Wow.
I thought, why would my wife follow me up to the cemetery? And I looked around, there was nothing. I'm like, okay, you know.
Right. Here's the part. This is the Parsons plot. Have a couple more over there.
But that is a nice stone. Is that a reset stone, you think?
Probably.
Yeah.
They probably came back and brought a new one in.
Yeah, because it doesn't look typical 1918 style.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
definitely got a new one. That's a beautiful one. Cemetery keeps going way down there, and probably another 100 feet or so. We got go in there and cut that out and see what all's in there. You can see there's more markers that we set up over there. Here's the Lucas 5. There's a World War I veteran, and then they got his parents. And there's one more over here. Probably buried up in one of these little plants. Yeah, right here. So that's.
Oh yeah. Now you said that World War veteran you was telling me he was killed in a motorcycle accident?
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
Sammy told me.
I wish his photo was still there.
Yeah, but it was after the war. The war ended was 18, so that's his 19th. So he probably stayed there a little bit after the war. And
Well, you know, you survive a war and get killed on a motorcycle. That's just sad.
yeah,
I knew a fellow who survived 2 tours of Vietnam, Special Forces, and he was killed a few years back in his pickup truck.
wow.
You know, and that's just, you know, it's like, you know, you survive a war and, you know, and you're just driving home and it's just, one never knows. It's really sad. $19.24. Now that's a typical style
Yeah,
for that time. Yeah. It's not worn away. It's better.
yeah. It's probably just where it's in the shade, and it might have been on its face too. I can't remember if I picked that one up and waved it or not. Yeah. What?
Nice little stone. Company B, 4th West Virginia Infantry. Now that's interesting. My grandfather was in the 4th.
Oh wow! So
If you saw my last video at Donnell C. Kennard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I didn't get you in trouble for helping me film this, did I? You getting fired?
He was just asking for a chainsaw file. I got one up there. I'll grab it for him in a second.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm sure you go through a lot of blades up there. Little
Yeah.
chains, yeah. Oh, I mean that's like.
Starting to rattle a bit. So.
Now, are you taking all these down, or just?
No, just the smaller ones, or if they're dead, we'll take them down safely so they don't destroy anything.
Yeah, it's starting to rain now. Yeah, just keep rolling until it gets bad, I reckon. Oh, here's these. I see these a lot.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of
Yeah, there's little, just those little, you know, metal ones.
Plates, yeah.
Yeah.
This was he helped find the mountain mission.
Really?
Yeah, it says right here. It said
Oh
on Find a
yeah,
Grave.
yeah.
So he
Oh, big.
he's kind of famous.
Wow. Everybody likes thrift stores. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, so yeah, we got a Marine Corporal.
Killed in action.
June 6, 1918. Killing Hollywood's friends. Well, thank you for your service and your sacrifice, sir. Yeah, it's obviously not a cenotaph. He's here. You can tell how it's sinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another child's grave. George Lane. Sorry for stepping on you, sir. Kind of hard not to, though. They're packed in. Yeah. 13 to 17.
This one might
Top it over.
it's so worn. We'll have to clean it.
I mean, do you find graves pretty much every week? Every time you come through, you find a new one?
Yeah.
I know what you said over there was the pauper grave. And
Yeah. We just over here there. And I got that thing tree up. These were actually under the tree. You can see the shelter tree right here. And I uncovered these. They told us more than we need them, and really. They were underneath the tree.
Wow.
Looks like someone's been taking notice in the past and kind of stuck them up a little bit.
I mean, you see a lot of children, but it's like back in those days they didn't have stuff, something that, you know, they'd give them a pill for now. It would cure them, would kill them back then, you know, they didn't have nothing. That one's sunken in bad too. Now, did they use boss back then? I guess they did, some people.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny
All
how...
of these are wood caskets, and apparently the prisoners dug the graves here.
Uh-huh.
That's why it was so cheap. So the prisoners would dig it and it'd be a wood casket. So the wood casket gave out in the ground.
Yeah.
On top of it. So that's why it's sunk in.
Yeah. What is this on the...
That's it.
What is that? Oh, could that have been a picture or something there?
Yeah,
Perhaps.
I saw that and I've never seen one of those before. I wonder if it was a picture or...
I've never seen that on a stone. That's what kind of...
Yeah,
It had to have been a picture or something.
And over here you got his donor, his grandpa over here.
Mr Parrish, World War I veteran. Thanks for your service, sir. You know, some Confederate veterans up here too, a wee bit, right there.
Yeah, we walk back over there and see them.
And this guy here was a veteran as well.
I don't know if that's his death date or birthday, or I don't know if it only has one date on there. Probably his birthday, and they never sketched his death date.
Yeah. Let's see, was that the first one you seen when you come up
Yeah,
here?
it was so overgrown that the first one I seen was this one.
Yeah. And all this was like 6 foot of nothing but weeds. Wow. I tell you what, it's really looking great. Really looking great.
It's a beautiful cemetery. It just needs a little bit of work.
Well, I mean, you got it, like I say, you got it where you can pretty much weed eat most of it now. So that's that's great.
That's a unique one. That was sketched in. We found it underneath the tree right here.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to find the base and try to set it back up.
That one there is going to be hard to put back up too.
Yeah. They owned a convenience store here in North Charleston, from what the family told me.
Think Pearl's still living? No.
Sears probably couldn't get up here and put the death dates in. They said they had to be within 100 feet or something in order to get up here and enter a death date in.
Well, if she is, God bless her. That's a long haul. I thought 53 years was bad.
It's a Slater. His is sunk. I need to try to dig around that, pick it back up.
Yeah.
That's his wife, or maybe his mother or sister or son.
Yeah. World War I. He died in 49, yeah. And thank you for your service, sir. What is this one here? Kind of got the back kind of cut out of it.
It did have a metal plate on it. I believe it didn't bend it. But there's those number markers I was telling you about over here.
Oh, yeah.
Number 5, 10. So the funeral home gave those out, and in the hopes that they would come back with a proper marker. And only one family did. As you can see over here. I think it's down here. Yeah, one family did come back and did a proper.
I see that one.
Another one too. They came back and bought headstones, but nobody else did, so they're just numbered, so you can see there's a 2 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
This is 2 and 3. Yeah, and it's great, and it's hard to read unless the sun's, because they're just so warm, but when the sun's perfect, you can read any marker. So that's the breeding boys.
It's a lot larger than I thought it was. Like I said before, the news didn't do it justice. No, it really didn't. Well, thank you, Brandon, for giving me the tour and everything. I really enjoyed this. I'll try to get back up here one of these days when I got time to help you weed eat, because I love weed eating.
Yep, sounds good. Sounds good.
But thanks everyone for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and share, and God bless every one of you. Take care.